Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. I started this YouTube channel to make home cooking that is fun, efficient, and nutritional for you. I will refer to other videos along the way. When you see the info icon appear on the top right hand corner of the screen, please click it to get to the video links panel. Until I developed my perfect cooking system, my food pretty much tastes the same because I use the same sauce, mainly soy sauce and oyster sauce. Everything changed for me when I started to use an Indian spice box known as Masala dabba. The Masala dabba is a round, stainless steel box with a see-through glass top. Inside, there are 7 stainless steel bowls, each with their own dispensing spoon. The Masala dabba worked really well for me because of the following advantages. First, accessibility. It makes herbs and spice far more accessible. Instead of opening the bottles of each individual herbs and spices, I just open up the Masala dabba and I have immediate access to all of them. 2. Easy dispensing. Because each of the bowl comes with its own spoon, make it much convenient to dispense. The spoons are stored right inside the bowl, so you don't have to wash them after you use each time. Number 3, organize the seasonings. I can keep my herbs and spice in one Masala dabba, those that I use frequently. I have 2 different Masala dabba with 2 different set of seasoning to use for different applications. In this video, I will show you the setup of my basic Masala dabba for everyday use. The herbs and spice used in this Masala dabba is to enhance the natural flavor of the ingredients rather than changing the character of the dish. Here is the list of what is in each bowl. Bowl 1, mushroom seasoning. This is an extract from mushroom without using of any chemical ingredients such as MSG to enhance the natural flavor of the food ingredients. It contains a small amount of salt and it is often used as salt substitute. Bowl number 2, minced dry onion flakes. I like to use this rather than use onion powder because it also adds texture to the dish in addition to the onion flavor and aroma. Bowl number 3, garlic powder. I use this to enhance the natural flavor of the ingredients. I usually add this in addition to use minced garlic. I normally use granulated garlic powder because it is less likely to clump. Bowl number 4, lemon pepper. I use it as a pepper substitute. It goes very well with chicken, fish, and shrimp. Lemon pepper frequently contains salt, so use it carefully. Bowl number 5, cumin. I use cumin very sparingly to enhance natural flavor of the dish. Now, if you want to change the character of the dish, then you will use more. Bowl number 6, paprika. I like paprika to give it a little bit kick to the dish. Again, you have to use it sparingly. Number 7, ginger powder. I use it in the same way as paprika and cumin, so I use it sparingly. The convenience of the Masala dabba has greatly enhanced my efficiency as well as my creativity in my cooking. I make constant adjustments in the combination of these 7 basic seasonings in my dishes. If you are interested in getting a Masala dabba, you can find it on Amazon. Thank you for watching. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will be able to receive notifications of my future video postings. See you next time. Please stay safe.